How to generate AI videos for free with ComfyUI. This tutorial shows you how to use the cloud version to turn an image into a video without downloading anything. First, open your browser and go to ComfyUI's website. From there, click Login and sign in using your Google account. After that, click Continue with the cloud version instead of downloading the app. At this point, you'll have the option to start from a template or build a workflow completely from scratch. If this is your first time, starting with a template makes things much easier. Following this, click Templates. From here, select Image to Video. At this stage, in the first section, upload the image you want to turn into a video. Following this, in the second section, that's where the prompting happens. From here, type a description explaining how you want the video to move, like specific motion, camera angles, or effects, and add details about sound if you want audio included too. At this stage, once you're happy with your prompt, click Run at the top. Give it a moment while ComfyUI processes and generates your video. That's how you generate AI videos for free with ComfyUI. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.